slime. I'm going to use the exact same ingredients, except I'm going to use some candy sprinkles and a different food coloring. So my dad put a 30 ml of glue. So now I have to put activator in because it was easy for me. So I'll put activator in. Activator in. Well, first let's put this in. I guess that's enough because it's a lot. Now I'm going to put 2 scoops of actuator. Another scoop of actuator. Okay. And I'll use a little bit more. I guess that's good. Now I'm going to use the food coloring. Okay, my dad got this food coloring for me. And now I'm going to use the... Not you. You. That's enough. And you don't fall again. Now I'm going to add a little bit of sprinkles, but not too much sprinkles. No, a little bit more. That's enough. Hey. Get out. Okay, that's enough for sprinkles. Now I'm going to stir it. I hope it's going to be so fun. It's going to be so fun. Ha ha ha. It has to still be more.
It's ready.
It's ready now, guys. Now I'm going to take this candy sprinkle thingy, candy sprinkle mint slime out, and this is a lot. Hopefully not a lot. But guys, this is super sticky, I know. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel, and there's a lot of things. Bye bye. Hope you like my channel.